gonna check our scores, see what we got. So last week was 655, 655, 670. So I recently got Lexington Law Firm to get some other stuff off my credit, see if that helps I go up. So I know I have Lexington Law Firm in here. We paid off some of my credit card. So let's see where we're at. It should be going up. I've been saying it's going down for the last 2 months, and it has went up. And so now I'm saying it's going up. So it'd be funny if it actually goes down. But let's see where we at. Let's look at it here. 670, 655, 655, and we are changing to drum roll. All right, we got. Oh, we went up to 679, 697. Wow, we went up a lot, guys. All right, so paying off the credit card. The only difference we're doing now, we're just paying off the credit card. So that's helping out a lot. We just got Lexington Law Firm here. Only got 2 negative items and delinquent, so some stuff are dropping off. Yes, we got this right here. It's funny that the ad popped up. I heard me saying it, but yes, I'm using Lexington Law Firm to get some stuff on my credit. Let's see what this should be child support. I'm guessing. What is this? Yep, Alpha Attorney General child support and cons. Looks like we're going to get these two off because these are paid off, but they're showing up as negative. So let's off we're going to get these two off, and then I'm going to get these caught up. Cons going to be a while. That's going to be a while to get those caught up. Let's go back to overview. Scroll it down. 3 delinquent in the last 2 years. Oh, same stuff. Bank of America, yeah, these are 3 right here. So this only 3. I only have 3. I only have 3 negative items on my credit. I guess everything else must have fell off because that's on your credit for like 5 years. So everything else must have fallen off. Which works for me. It gives me less stuff to pay off. So I only got 3 negative on there. So it should be the same on here, which is good. So I wonder if I can find that date on this. 2014. Well, it should have been off then. That's 14. That's 7 years. No, because 7 years would be what, 21. So this should have been off. Mm. But what I'm using to build my credit, I'm using Self. Same thing I've been using. So we got Self that we're using. Let's get the highest one. We're using Self and the Credit Strong. Self and Credit Strong. So you guys to get those two right there. Yep, Self, and Credit Strong, which is gonna be 10,000 balance right there that we're using. And we just got Lexington Law Firms to get all the other stuff off our credit that we don't like. And so, yeah. I'm supposed to go more detail on this one. God dang it. We're actually reached good, and this is still fair. So we almost have a good score. We're trying to get up to 700. That's the goal right there. Get to 700. So I almost reached my goal of a 700 score. Really close. And then it's not going to be too far off from 500. Not 500. What? Really? Not too far off from 800. So we should be able to do a lot of things. There's some good credit here. I'm really sketchy about getting a credit card or trying to get like let's say a card off of Amazon, credit card off Amazon, or a credit card for like PlayStation like that because I want it to make my credit go down. So I'm trying to get it. I mean that's a pretty good score. At that I'll be declined at this point, but I just want the history. How do I view history? I want the payment history. Let's see if I can pull it up. I gotta figure out how to do this. Reports, is it Insights? Here it is. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Everything has went up. Excellent, good. So my credit score is good. That's the majority right there. Uh, my credit history gonna be these two right here. So this has the most. I focus on these. So we got 2 on this bad boy. That is the Office of Attorney General and cons. These 2 should fall off because there's 0. But this is my old credit card I had with Bank of America, my old 2000 credit card at Bank of America, my old $300 credit card at Bank of America, which I closed those. So I'm not sure why I popped it on there with a 0 balance. So this law firm should get those off, and that should go down a little bit. All right, how do we go backwards? Oh, can't go back that way. So those two should go down. So it's really only two. So these are accurate, two. So I guess I didn't jump off of here because this is accurate right here, which is going to be the Office of Attorney General Compliance. Those are accurate ones, I was saying. So yeah, credit score is overall getting real good and going up. Extra is current, awesome. Oh, that's almost red current, so it's almost running late. They poured it on time, so that's good. Oh, it's like that because we had in 2021 two late payments. But yeah, that is nice to that was a real nice thing to see right there. Is so only have one that's red now. Everything else is neutral. So that payment history is 40%. We got to get that one up. Uh, so I'm gonna have to go hard on the cons, and I can do a quick on Office Attorney General. So see cons. It says one here. Collection charge off for cons. So I gotta go hard on that. See this shouldn't be on there. That's a zero balance. That shouldn't be there. Really should not be there. Oh, it says 18, 2018. That's why it's probably 18, 19, 21, 2, 3. They're probably off on next year now. Hopefully this stuff when we get off this year. And this one, I just sent in like a. This one is going down. I will admit that. So this is going down as this paid off. Back when they first started, it got farther behind. So I was probably trying to send them something to get that caught up. So it's affecting my credit in a bad way. Well, you know what? See, it says it's up to date. That's this year, current. So 270. I gotta see what's going on with it. All right, that's all for this short video. See everybody here next month. Hopefully, reach that 700 score, which is the goal line. 730 is far and above beyond. If I get to 800, I'll be a happy camper. But I doubt I'll get to 800. I'm really surprised I'm this close to 700. But okay, I will see you guys on our next video.